Hello everyone! Welcome back to new video where we will improve English by watching real conversations. Make sure to comment below which next real-life examples you want, and also make sure to subscribe for more content. Ordering ice cream. Hi,
Hello. What would you like today?
I'd like some ice cream.
Great. Which flavor sounds nice?
What flavors do you have?
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and mint.
Chocolate sounds really good today.
Excellent choice. Cone or cup?
A cone, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Small is enough for me.
Would you like any toppings?
What toppings do you have?
Sprinkles, chocolate sauce, and nuts.
Can I have sprinkles?
Of course. Anything else today?
No, that's everything.
Your total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is perfectly fine.
That's easy. Thank you.
Please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. It worked quickly.
Here is your receipt.
Can I sit outside?
Yes, the tables are available.
Wonderful. It's sunny today.
Enjoy your ice cream.
I won't share any today.
That's completely your choice.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Come back soon.
Buying a phone case? Hi.
Hello, can I help today?
Yes, I need a phone case.
Which phone do you have?
I have a new iPhone.
Which iPhone model is it?
I think iPhone 15.
Great, please show your phone.
Sure, here it is.
This size looks correct.
Do you have blue cases?
Yes, several blue ones here.
Blue is my favorite color.
This soft case feels comfortable.
It looks very nice, too.
Do you like clear cases?
Maybe. They look very clean.
This clear case protects well.
Will it break easily?
No, it is very strong.
That sounds really good.
You can hold it first.
Oh, it feels very light.
Would you like this one?
Yes, I think so.
The price is $20.
Oh, that's not expensive.
We also have a discount.
Really? That's wonderful today.
Would you need screen protection?
Maybe next time instead.
No problem at all.
I'll take this blue case.
Cash or card today?
Card, please. Thank you.
Your phone looks much better.
Now it feels brand new. Buying water. Hello.
Hello. Looking for something today?
Yes, I need some water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Small or large bottle?
Maybe the large bottle.
Here is a cold one.
Great. Thank you very much.
Anything else for today?
Maybe a small snack, too.
These crackers are very popular.
Are they very salty?
No, they taste quite light.
That sounds nice today.
Would you like one pack?
Yes, just one pack, please.
Your total is £4.
Sorry, can I use card?
Yes, of course you can.
That's good. Thank you.
Please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
It worked very quickly.
Here is your receipt.
Can I recycle this bottle?
Yes, please recycle it later.
I always try recycling.
The planet thanks you.
That's funny. I like it.
Enjoy your cold water.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Stay hydrated.
At a community market. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome today.
Hi. Everything looks wonderful here.
Thank you. Looking for something?
Yes, I'd like fresh fruit.
We have apples and peaches.
Which fruit is sweeter?
The peaches are very sweet.
I'll try some peaches.
How many would you like?
4, please.
Anything else for today?
Maybe some fresh tomatoes.
They arrived this morning.
They look very fresh.
Would you like a small bag?
Yes, that would help.
Here is your bag.
How much is everything?
$12 altogether.
That's a good price.
We support local farms.
I like buying local food.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you very much.
Here you are.
Here is your change.
Is the market open tomorrow?
Yes, from 8 o'clock.
I'll visit again tomorrow.
We'll be happy to see you.
Maybe I'll buy even more. Asking for directions in a subway station. Hi.
Hello, do you need some help?
Yes, I'm a little confused.
Where would you like going?
I need Baker Street Station.
That's easy from this station.
Really? Which train should I take?
Take the Jubilee line first.
Then, do I change trains?
Yes, change at Bond Street.
Bond Street. I understand now.
Then take the Bakerloo line.
How many stops after that?
Only 2 more stops.
That sounds very simple.
Do you already have a ticket?
Yes, I bought one earlier.
Great, keep it with you.
Where is the platform?
Walk straight, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, only 2 minutes away.
That's not far at all.
Follow the blue signs carefully.
Blue signs. Okay, thank you.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, everything feels very busy.
London stations are always busy.
Everyone walks so quickly here.
You'll get used to it.
I hope so, very soon.
Don't worry, you're doing well.
Thank you for your kindness.
Have a safe journey today.
Thanks. Have a lovely day. Buying flowers for someone. Hi,
Hello, how may I help?
I'd like some flowers.
Who are they for?
They're for my mother.
That's very thoughtful today.
Which flowers are popular?
Roses and lilies sell well.
I like pink roses.
They look fresh today.
They smell really nice.
How many would you like?
6, please.
Would you like a ribbon?
Yes, a pink ribbon.
That matches the flowers.
Great, thank you.
Shall I wrap them?
Yes, please wrap them carefully.
They will look beautiful.
My mother loves flowers.
She's going to smile.
I hope she does.
Your bouquet is ready.
How much is everything?
$22 today.
I'll pay with cash.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
Here is your change.
Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your special day.
I can't wait now. At a car wash. Hi, my car needs cleaning.
Inside, outside, or both?
Both, please.
Good choice for today.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes only.
That's faster than expected.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, my first time here.
We'll take good care.
Thank you very much.
Please remove valuable items first.
Oh, I almost forgot.
It happens every day.
I'm glad you reminded me.
Would you like tire cleaning?
Yes, that sounds useful.
It makes the car shine.
I like clean cars.
Your total is $18.
Can I use my card?
Yes, of course you can.
That's very convenient.
Please wait inside the office.
Is there free coffee?
Yes, help yourself anytime.
Then I'll have one.
Your car will be ready.
I'll enjoy my coffee first.
See you in 20 minutes.
Sounds perfect. Thanks again. Checking into a gym. Hi, I'd like joining this gym.
Great. Is this your first visit?
Yes, my first visit here.
We'd love to help.
What memberships do you have?
Monthly and yearly memberships available.
I want the monthly one.
That's a popular choice.
Can I see the gym?
Yes, let's look around first.
Everything looks very clean.
We clean every morning.
That's very nice.
We also have fitness classes.
Are beginners welcome there?
Yes, everyone is welcome.
I'm still learning exercises.
That's completely okay here.
I feel much better now.
Do you need a locker?
Yes, that would help.
Lockers are free today.
That's great news.
Your membership starts today.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please use the reader.
Like this?
Perfect. Your payment worked.
Thank you for everything.
Enjoy your first workout.
I hope my legs survive. Using a self-checkout machine. This machine looks confusing.
No problem. I'll explain everything.
Thank you very much.
Scan your first item here.
Like this?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Oh, it beeped loudly.
That means it's scanned.
Where should I place it?
Put it inside the bag.
Okay, I understand now.
Scan your next item.
This bottle won't scan.
Turn the barcode around.
Now it worked perfectly.
Great job so far.
Can I remove one item?
Yes, press this button.
That's very easy now.
Ready to pay today?
Yes, with my card.
Please tap it here.
The screen says approved.
Your receipt is printing.
Do I take it?
Yes, please keep it.
I did everything myself.
Next time will feel easier.
I think you're right.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye. Picking up dry cleaning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi, I'm collecting my clothes.
Do you have your receipt?
Yes, it's right here.
Thank you. I'll check quickly.
I hope everything is ready.
Yes, your order is finished.
That's wonderful to hear.
One shirt and one jacket.
Do they look clean?
Yes, they look excellent.
Great, thank you.
Please check them first.
Everything looks perfect.
We're happy you like them.
How much do I owe?
$12 altogether.
I'll pay with cash.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
Here's your change.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. One bag.
Here you go.
That's very helpful.
See you again soon.
Hopefully not because of stains.
That's a fair reason.
Have a great afternoon.
You too. Goodbye.
Buying a bus pass. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help?
I need a bus pass.
Daily or weekly pass?
What's the difference?
Daily lasts 1 day only. Weekly lasts 7 full days.
I will stay 5 days.
Then a weekly pass helps.
Is it much cheaper?
Yes, it saves money.
I'll take the weekly pass.
Excellent choice for visitors.
Can I use every bus?
Yes, almost every city bus.
Do I need exact change?
No, card works perfectly.
Great, I have my card.
Please tap it here.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct.
That was very easy.
Here is your bus pass.
When does it start?
It starts right now.
That's perfect for today.
Keep it with you always.
I'll remember that.
Show it when requested.
Where is the next stop?
Just outside this building.
Thank you for helping me.
Enjoy your trip around Edinburgh.
I hope I never get lost. At the theater. Excuse me.
Welcome. Is this your first visit?
Yes, my first theater visit.
You're going to enjoy it.
I hope so.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it is here.
Thank you. Let me check.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your seat is ready.
That's great. Thank you.
Would you like a program?
What is a program?
It tells about the show.
Oh, I'd like one, please.
Here you are. Enjoy reading.
How long is the show?
About 2 hours today.
Is there a break?
Yes, after the first part.
That's good to know.
Please silence your phone now.
Oh, I almost forgot.
Many people forget sometimes.
I'm glad you reminded me.
Food is not allowed inside.
I have some candy.
Please finish it outside.
No problem at all.
Your seat is row C.
Where is row C?
Walk straight, then turn left.
Thank you for helping me.
Enjoy the performance tonight.
I can't wait now. At the zoo. Hi.
Welcome to the zoo today.
Thank you. I'm very excited.
Have you visited before?
No, this is my first.
Great. There are many animals.
Which animals are most popular?
The pandas are very famous.
I really love pandas.
They are eating bamboo now.
Really? Can we watch them?
Yes, follow this path.
Everything looks very beautiful.
Do you like big animals?
Yes, especially elephants.
The elephants are nearby.
That's wonderful. Let's go.
They enjoy playing with water.
They look very happy today.
Please stay behind the fence.
Of course, I understand.
Would you like a zoo map?
Yes, that will help me.
Here is a free map.
Where are the giraffes?
Turn right after this bridge.
Are they feeding now?
Yes, feeding starts very soon.
I don't want to miss it.
Then we should walk faster.
Good idea. Let's hurry.
Have an amazing visit today.
Thank you for everything. About the weather. Good morning.
Good morning. Beautiful weather today.
Yes, it feels very nice.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I really love sunshine.
Is it warm enough today?
Yes, not too hot.
That's my favorite weather too.
Does it rain often here?
Yes, quite often in London.
Really? I forgot my umbrella.
Many visitors do that.
I should remember next time.
The forecast looks good today.
What does forecast mean?
It means tomorrow's weather prediction.
Oh, now I understand. Do you check forecasts daily?
Sometimes before leaving home.
That's always a good habit.
It saves many problems.
Do you enjoy cold weather?
Not really. I prefer spring.
Spring brings colorful flowers everywhere.
I love seeing fresh flowers.
Autumn has beautiful falling leaves.
That sounds peaceful too.
What about snowy winter days?
Snow looks beautiful, but freezing.
That's very true sometimes. Will it stay sunny later?
I think the sky looks clear.
Then I'll walk a little.
Enjoy the lovely weather today.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day. Returning a library book. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi. I'd like to return this book.
Of course. May I see it?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check.
Is everything okay?
Yes, the book looks fine.
That's good to hear.
Did you enjoy the story?
Yes, it was very interesting.
I'm glad you liked it.
I want another book now.
What books do you enjoy?
I like simple mystery stories.
We have many good choices.
Can you recommend one?
This book is very popular.
The cover looks beautiful.
It is easy to read.
That's perfect for me.
Do you have your library card?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Please take your time.
Here it is. Sorry.
No problem at all.
When should I return it?
Please return it next Friday.
I'll write that down.
That's a smart idea.
I don't want late fees.
Nobody likes those.
You're right about that.
Enjoy your new book.
Thank you. See you soon.